So I hear from both Mr. Mohanad and our host Mr. Toby. MashaAllah, both sides, if we see, we compare, like we match to each other.
Yes.
So this is the main, we are here together. So sir, from our side,
Yeah.
why we choose Mr. Mohanad for Syria market? As you go, you visit market, you meet maybe 1,000 people there.
Yeah.
So why you choose Mr. Mohanad?
Okay.
This is my question.
First, thank you very much for you choose
Thank you.
Toby's. Okay.
Thank you.
This is first thing. Very thank you for choosing Toby's. Okay. And number two, so why we choose for Toby's choosing partners is very like very strictly we choose partners.
Yes.
We not choose the normal people. We choose the people who has the vision for future business.
Right.
They are not hurry for money.
Yes.
They're doing things very honest, very straight. So this kind of people and this kind of companies we choose. Actually, in the business, there's a lot of problems and a lot of questions. You will face the trouble always from our competitors or from anybody in the market. You will face so much rumors and trouble. If our partner mind is not
Yes.
straight and not smart enough, not clever enough,
Yes.
then we meet problem, you start like too much talking or shouting. You don't have something in your mind. Yeah. So this is will be very difficult for future we're working together. So we choose the partner. They have own thinking. This problem comes, and from here we know that this is not a problem. This somebody just want to make problems. It's not a problem for long time.
Yes.
Little problems, but we know that we can solve the problems together.
Yes.
We're not about fighting to each other. This is I don't like. So any our agent in all the countries, people, they have very long vision and very good thinking about business. They know the logic of the business. They know the base of the matters. How is it going on?
Yes.
So this is the most important. That's why I go to Syria and with the family, I see all the brothers. My families are very kind of people, and man is very straight. The business is very big, but still very good to the people. Even family rich and family is very big and too much money I have, but it's small. But you are so kind to the small people. Means our heart is very kind.
Yes.
This exactly this kind of people we can do long-term business.
Yes.
So first we choose partner because our partner mind quality, kind of heart, this all is number one in the market.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Habibi. Together for future.
Yes, together.
Thank you.